Today we're going to have a look at place value. Place value is the value that a digit has within a number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are digits. The number 4 as a digit can just be a number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or when it stands next to another digit, like 3, the digit 4 and the digit 3 put together can make the number 43. However, in 43, that 4 means 40. Let's have a look at all the different 4s within these numbers and try and figure out their value. To do that, we're going to use this place value table. We might start with the number 4. We're going to place it into the ones column or the units column, depending which country you are from. In it goes. The number 4 is 4 cats, or 4 dogs, or 4 cupcakes. That would be very different to maybe the number 428. If we fill that in, starting in the ones column, 8, 2, and the digit 4, where the 4 is in the hundreds column, 428, so that the 4 has the value 400. I would rather have 4 cats in my garden than 400 cats in my garden. That shows us what place value is. The 4s in those two numbers have different values. So let's have a look at another number. Let's take the number 43. Pop down the 3 in the ones column and the 4 in the tens column. There the 4 has the value 40. 4 tens. Try another one. Let's try 451,273. Gets a bit tricky to read those really big numbers. We'll write it down first and then practice saying it. Starting in the ones column, let's fill it in. 3, 7, 2, 1, 5, and 4. The 4 is in the hundred thousands column. So it has the value of 400,000. But let's go to try and say it. When we're trying to read those really big numbers, it's a good idea to chunk our numbers into groups of 3. Here we can group it into hundreds, tens, and ones. That's one group of 3. And hundred thousands, 10,000s, and thousands, a group of 3. And then our millions are on their own over there. I have drawn red lines in my groups of 3 to remind me where to take my breath and where my groups of 3 are. So when I go to say it, I go 451,273. That's where I took my breath. Let's try it again. 451,000, breath, 273. It's easy when you group your numbers. Let's try another one. What about 4,629? Starting at the end, fill in your numbers. 9, 2, 6, and the 4. If we take the 4 up, we can see it's in the thousands column. That means the 4 has a value of 4,000. 4,629. Let's try this one over here. 43,127. Starting at the end, 7, 2, 1, 3, and 4. Take the 4 up, we can see it's in the 10,000s column. The 43 goes together. The 40 is 10,000. 10,000 times 4 is 40,000. So it has a value of 40,000. Put it with the 3, 43,000 to say it. 43,000, breath, 127. Try saying that again. 43,000, breath, 127. Let's try the last one. Fill it in. 8, 2, 9, 3, 2, 6, and the number 4. How many of you knew it was going to be in the millions column? The 4 has a value of 4 million. 4 million. I wonder if you know how to say that number. Remember, take a breath at the red lines or the groups of 3. Let's give it a go. 4,623,928. Let's try it again. 4,623,928. Congratulations! Well done!